Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make chili dog. Start by gathering ingredients and tools, then preheat your pan and simmer chili gently while you prepare the dogs and buns for toasting. Begin by simmering chili on low heat while you brown the hot dogs in a skillet or on a grill. Then toast the buns until slightly crisp and warm, keeping everything ready to assemble in quick succession. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for easy timers and hands-free music while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy a smarter kitchen setup. Now let's get back to the video. Assemble by placing the hot dog into the toasted bun, spooning chili over it, and topping with cheese so it melts. Then add crunchy onions or pickled jalapenos for contrast, and a final touch of mustard if desired.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.